Welcome to the WebLedger. Let us dive right into the settings section and overlook some features helping you ease your account setup for the business. Select Settings from the drop-down. Let us start with the business configuration. This is asking for your company profile. Given a name, select the business type, a contact number, an email, and a website. Once you go to the Edit tab here, you will remember seeing the screen in one of the previous videos. Similarly, we can also create different branches for our business. Select the Add Location option, input a GST number, select the currency, mention a website if required. You can choose to select a trade name, a branch name, input a phone number, email, and all the contact details, along with the address, PIN code, country, state, and city. Once you submit, this will create a new entry for all the branches that you generate. For example, here we have 3 branches: headquarters, Surat, and Mumbai. You can also choose to edit a specific branch, clicking on this pencil edit icon here. Moving on to the configuration in settings. Remember configuring the countries while we were setting up our account? This is the exact same thing. You can choose to do it from here itself. Add the country, select Configure Business Types. If you already have one, you can choose among the listed ones or create your own custom type. Select all the particulars that are applicable, click on Create and add one country. This will help you configure another country. Timesheet option here helps you to summarize timesheet and notify your employees for filling the timesheet. Moving on to the fields option. You can select the fields that you require by creating your own business, and you can customize the field values moving on to the field options. Invoice configuration. Once you are into invoice configuration, select on business settings. You can define your credit period here, where you define how many days do you allow the payment to be due with. You can select a method for communication. As we saw earlier, the invoice billing is automated. You can also define the invoice due date, the overdue invoice reminder, and overdue reminder frequency, and repeat this for branch, firm, or client specific settings. Moving on to drive configurations. You can choose to give limited access to your client or full access to your client of the drive. Drive feature is one place where all the documents are stored, and if your client has access, they can also upload the documents in it. If you specify a particular number here, it can help your client to delete the documents within those specific days. Once you click on to save changes, these changes will be updated. The user and role section in settings. Here is where you can create more users to access your business in the WebLedger. Create your own roles or select from the default available ones. Disable users or enable them when required. We have already seen this in one of the previous videos in detail. This video will help you kickstart your journey at the WebLedger Office. Thank you for joining in.